Discuss about value and return. Value is suppose something you are getting particular amount you are getting 1 lakh rupees you are getting today, and you are getting 1 lakh rupees after down the line 3 years. So which one you would prefer more? Obviously the answer would be that the presently, if you are getting that particular amount, that one would be more preferred than that of getting that amount after a certain time frame. So that is the value and return here. And mostly in this first session we'll be discussing about the factor of compounding, that is the process of calculating the future value of cash flows sorry, and then after discounting, the process of calculating the present values of cash flows. Okay, so first we'll see the compounding, that is the future value of a single cash flow. So for calculating the future sum, what we have done over here is that we have accepted the sum, that is future sum. Future sum we can calculate this way, that is the principal amount. Say for example we are taking a principal amount of 100 rupees and we are getting a interest of 10%, say for example. So 10% is interest upon 100 rupees. Okay, and we are getting a amount of 110 rupees. Okay, so 110 rupees we are getting, and we are writing over here future value F1, that is for the first year, principal plus principal into interest, and we can also write in this way P into 1 plus I, that is just like here I can write 100 into 1 plus, okay, this way also I can write that amount will also come as 110 rupees. Okay, then after we'll see how this future value of a single cash flow or the compounding factor for multiple years. Okay, say for example we are getting for the 2 years, we'll calculate the same amount, that is 100 rupees, and then after for the first year, that is 10% into 100, that is interest amount. Okay, that is for the, this is for the year 1. Okay, similarly for year 2, how I'll calculate this one in this way, the rate of interest. Okay, the rate of interest into this amount, that is 100 plus 0.10 into 100. Okay, so then it becomes, I can write 100 and then after multiplied with 1.10 into 1.10, or just like this formula I can write 100 into 1.10 to the power 2. Okay, F1 equal to P plus P into I, P into 1 plus I. Suppose for the second year, future value of second cash for a single cash flow for second year, F1 plus F1 into I, so F1 into 1 plus I. Okay, so in this one for the second year, P into 1 plus I into P into 1 plus I. With that F1 value I am putting over here, P into 1 plus I, and so I can write in this way P into 1 plus I to the power 2, or similarly for the nth year I can write P into 1 plus I to the power n. Okay, so this way I can find out the value for the nth year, that whatever amount is there I can find out. Suppose I want to find out the future value for 5th year, so and the amount is 100, and here I can write 1 into 10, suppose 10% is rate of interest. Okay, for 5 years. I'll write over here, and based upon that one, whatever amount would be coming, that becomes for the future value of a single cash crop of 5 years. Okay, now we'll go for the future value of an annuity. So what is annuity? Annuity is annuity is a fixed payment, or you can say receipt also, each year for a specified number of years. Suppose you rent a flat and promise to make a series of payment over an agreed period. You have created an annuity over here. Or you can say the equated monthly installment from any bank, and that is also, you can say, annuity. Okay, or employer giving the salary, that way also you can say. See, this on the end of year, I have taken over here 1 2 3 4. On the last year he is investing 1 rupee, and he has not received any interest on this one. On the just the previous year, he has accumulated the interest for 1 year. Okay, that is rate of interest at 10% I have calculated over here. So P into 1 plus I to the power 1. So over here P is 1, then up to 1 plus I is 0.10 to the power 2. So I can find out 1.210. For the 3 years he is on the first year. Okay, so that means he has accumulated the interest for first year, for second year, for third year. These 3 years he has accumulated interest. How much interest he will accumulate? 1 into 1 plus 0.10 to the power 3. Okay, for this one is for the this one. Suppose I am writing over here, this one is for 2 years. That point of time it will be giving the value of this one. Okay, for 1 year it will become 1. So on that basis, and there here the future sum is being calculated by adding up all these values of the 4th year. On the first year it is 1, second year 1.10, the third year value is this one, second year value is 1.21. On the initial, on the first year it was the whatever amount he has invested for this year interest, for this year interest, for this year interest, so accumulated 1.331. so this amount is the if you add up this one, then it becomes 4.541. okay, so this is annuity. So we'll see now that how we can formulate a formula for this one. Just like for single value, we are putting P into 1 over here, just like we are writing P into 1 plus I to the power n. Similarly, how can we write the formula for annuity? Okay, so this one future value will write over here like F4, that is for future value for the 4th year, A into 1 plus I to the power 3. Like in our case, A is 1 rupee, 1 plus 0.10 to the power 3, 1 rupee into 1 plus 0.10 to the power 2, 1 rupee into 1 plus 0.10 to the power 1, then after 1. Okay, I can write in this way. A I can take the common, and then I can write in this way. And more appropriately, this is the final example, that is how I can find out this value, future value for nth year. That is we are writing over here future value equal to A into 1 plus I to the power n minus 1. Okay, so we'll just see one example of this one also. So suppose here I'll just write over here like 1 into 1 plus 0.10 that is for 4 year. Okay, minus 1 whole divided by 0.10. That's the previous example we are using over here. So if I'll calculate this one, then I'll find out 1, and this value would be coming 4 point into 4.541, and this one becomes 4.541. That is this one, 4.541. You can use calculator and you can find out this value over here. Okay, so this is the about the future value of annuity. Okay, now we'll see present value of single cash flow. Okay, the future value 1 p into 1 plus I per this one is future value 2 equal to p into 1 plus I to the power 2. So in the first year I can just take this one side change and I can find out this one. Okay, that is p equal to f1 by 1 plus r to the power 1. Similarly for this one also I can write in this way, and for nth year I can write on this way, that is future value 1 by 1 plus I to the power n. Suppose take for example 50,000 is the value. Somebody is telling you that future value would be 50,000 rupees. Okay, 50,000. Suppose that an investor wants to find out the present value of 50,000 to be received after 15 years. Okay, so how much is 50,000? 50,000. Okay, and then after 15 years, and her interest rate is 9%. Okay, so what we'll do, 1 divided by 1 plus 0.09 to the power 15 I'll write over here. Okay, and then I can write over here 50,000 and multiplied with 1 by, or straightly I'll write the amount 0. I have rounded up this value 0.275. okay, and then after I'll get 13,750 rupees. Okay, so 50,000 rupees to be received after 15 years, and are assuming the inflation rate 9%. How much amount I am going to get? Means the today's present value of single cash flow, it will be 13,750, not 50,000 rupees. Okay, he is saying that means whatever, we should not assume that 50,000, because whatever I am, as I started the session saying, whatever amount we are getting, okay, means after 3 years particular, or after a particular time frame, and the present value, there is a difference lying over there. Okay, so this one we have taken the example 50,000. I have written over there that how much is present value. Present value becomes, I have used this formula and I found out that it is not 50,000 of today's value, of present value it is 13,750. Okay, now we'll see that how this present value of annuity to be calculated. Suppose take for example a annuity of 50,000 rupees we are going to get. Okay, person receives an annuity of 5,000 for 4 years. Okay, 5,000 for 4 years, and if the rate of interest is 10%, okay, then the present value of 5,000 annuity is how much? We will find out this way. P equal to present value, that is, they are saying that annuity we are getting 5,000. Okay, and then after I can write 1 by I can write, okay, and similarly 1 by minus 1 by I, this one I can write a into 1 by I minus 1 by I into 1 plus I to the power n. I can write this way also, okay. So this one I'll write 5000 1 by 0.10 minus 1 by 0.10 into 1.10 to the power 4. Okay, so it becomes 5000 into 1 by 0.10, that is 10, minus this value. If you'll find out, you'll find this one is 6.83. okay, so this one is coming as 5000 multiplied with 3.17, okay, that is 15,850 rupees. Okay, present value of annuity becomes, at the rate of suppose a person receives annuity of 5,000 for 4 years, okay, for 4 years we have taken this n as 4 years over here, and the if the rate of interest is 10%, then we can find out the how much is the present value. It is not for 4 years, will how much actually we are investing, 5 jar 4, that is 20,000, but present value of annuity if we'll find out, then it becomes 15,850. okay, finally you can see over here all the formula, future value of a single value of a annuity, of an annuity we can write over here. Then after present value for single investment, also single cash flow we have find out. Present value of an annuity, by using this formula we can find out this one. Okay, so this is the thank you. This is the first one about the concept of value and return.